All dressed up and know where to go? Sounds like New Year's Eve 2020 to me. But we should celebrate because we need to kick this year to the curb. I don't mind not being able to go out and slosh around in the freezing cold, squeezed into a pair of Spanx and teetering on 3-inch heels. No, don't worry about me, I'll be fine. But if you feel you must have a date for New Year's Eve, have one of these. This is a delicious hors d'oeuvre that you can enjoy while you're watching the ball drop, or maybe you're glued to that honeymooners marathon. I'll be watching the Twilight Zone. Anyway, these are easy to make. Let me show you how I did it. You will need 2 to 3 dozen pitted dates, 3 ounces of softened gorgonzola cheese, 6 ounces of softened cream cheese, 1 to 2 tablespoons of orange juice, and some chopped walnuts. Slit the dates down one side and then gently open. Add your cheeses and orange juice to a resealable bag. Close it up and then squeeze the ingredients until they are fully combined. Snip off one corner to create a piping bag. Gently spread the date open and pipe the contents into the middle. Dip in the ground walnuts and serve. Now this is my idea of the perfect New Year's Eve.